We were informed already that the NBI had finished its investigation.
Inabisuhan na ng National Bureau of Investigation ng Department of Justice ukol sa natapos ng investigasyon sa umunoy pagbabanta ni Vice President Sara Duterte kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at First Lady Lisa Marcos kasama si House Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Ayon kay Prosecutor General Richard Anthony Padullo, titingnan muna nila mabuti ang resulta ng investigasyon ng NBI bago sila maglabas ng rekomendasyon.
There's a need to further evaluate it, and we are sending prosecutors over to look at the evidence and evaluate the evidence that is in the custody of the National Bureau of Investigation. Depending on the outcome, we will be able to make a recommendation whether to have it considered filed already before the department and or to return it to the NBI if there's a need to build up the case further and to add to the evidence that they have.
Ayon kay Justice Undersecretary Raul Vasquez, bahagi ng case build-up ang muling pagsusuri sa resulta ng investigasyon ng NBI.
Once the evaluation is confirmed to be enough to warrant preliminary investigation, that's the time that the preliminary investigation proper would be initiated.
Hindi nagpakita si VP Sara sa NBI upang magpaliwanag sa kanyang umano'y pagbabanta sa buhay ng Pangulo. Sa halip, isang sulat ang ipinadala ng pangalawang Pangulo sa NBI upang pabulaanan ang akusasyon at nanindigan na hindi niya pinagbantaan ang buhay ng Pangulo maging ng unang ginang at ni House Speaker Romualdez. Wala pang reaksyon sa usaping ito si VP Sara. Nel Baribuho, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.